yeah tenefidi so ya analysis yeah personal analysis
Akoma FM
say free game ni match maintain NPP minje ndisi fo sika me kan wo obi ama miska but no kure ni da hono ma ye be ka ma etiefu etie ni to beti Akoma FM no hwe me say general secretary lawyer Jasin Kodua ono ni incompetency any nya onya de and I'm a partner do say.
And because the chairman say be a problem because the one taking over now is an acting chairman.
The chief executive officer of any political party is the general secretary. And do you think that the current NDC looking at the secretary, these things can happen? He even some passes comment and conform in the but can what them to say media me region me na mo into the ben constitution ben na wo Ghana ha party ben na de rania and the regional cham power say they were there even polling station elections the calendar come from national even polling station elections from electoral polling station electoral area region constituency ni nyina national na deba Sir John me say so tie nkomo na omo say obi a finger general secretary no obi a finger so ono
obi a hwan what if hwan ho of course from Chairman to me
yes actually east is coming me tie interviews a ho kire say ono Kodua no
the same line
me ba ono Kodua no
line ba kono
o so ye lawyer na so obi so otumi o meto aba me wa
no obi a finger no say we incompetent
obi a boni din
statement or the babontin no they feel say
statement not the Bible. What makes them have problem with the statement here? And we be a why in the baby atwam. Emre da na mo twist mrano, and then what twist and now be say na oba afia memra bi o party be mu. Musimo ye top down approach. Sir John say obi a top down approach a. Ke wie flag bearer no, ke see about national elections. Ni aba region. Ni aba constituency. Ni aba electoral area, ni aba polling station. And I'm saying yeah, gender grand scheme I'm can ha kantino. You top na say about down here top down up. I mean twisting and turning everything. Such incompetence. Saying into what idea who manage says I manage party. What's we top down? To we top now. You not top wa national elections. Ni about region. Ni about constituency. Electoral area, polling station you and I'm saying agenda chinchina you better into what twist them running there. Na say na oba say na de we secretary to ba affirm why them who allow you to affirm what because they were
what we are seeing in your that top bottom top approach now mo can so mo
top down up
maybe some
now some steps out for through on ma
agenda yeah
so now okay you and Mr. Amo bisa we say we say top down approach you say we na top one we top ni we no and say we huriu so since ho we be see from
e kire wo say e agenda na o mo ne wina na hihya agenda ne say secretary ye interest mara no uso ye be ye ti what twist and in this plan, no one na hihya no them they cook it with you.
But the statement, but let's not forget that there was a decision from the National Steering Committee. May establish here and also that statement.